Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your front light beam. First, park your vehicle on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Ensure your fuel tank is at least half full and your tire pressure is correct. This preparation is crucial for accurate adjustments, so take your time to set up properly before moving to the next step. Next, let's mark your target on the wall. Measure the height from the ground to the center of your headlights and draw a horizontal line. Then, measure the distance between the centers of your headlights and mark 2 vertical lines on the wall. These marks will serve as your precise reference points for aiming. Now, it's time to adjust the vertical aim. Locate the vertical adjustment screw, usually found on the top or side of the headlight assembly. Turn the screw to move the beam up or down. You want the top edge of the brightest part of the beam to be slightly below your horizontal line, typically by about 2 inches. Finally, if your vehicle allows, adjust the horizontal aim using the corresponding screw. The brightest part of the beam should be centered on your vertical marks. After making all adjustments, take your vehicle for a test drive. Observe the beam pattern on the road to ensure proper illumination and confirm that you are not blinding oncoming traffic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.